War between Equestria and the Crystal Empire had begun decades after the beginning of the immortalized era of the Equestrian race. Tensions and the internal fears of the highest rulers of the land came to a head when Princess Cadance officially scrolled the notion of war against Princess Everlight's rulership. Difficult times were reigning between the two conflicting kingdoms, one opposed to the idea of death whilst the other embraced it. Ideals, beliefs, and opinions poisoned every vein of their relationships to the point of agony. Princess Cadance with her daughter Flurry hard isolated their crystallized empire from the rest of Everlight's loss to bring about an area where the freedom to live or die was a part of the ponies and creatures who had the choice to do as they pleased. However, Princess Everlight Everlasting, born to oppose such a notion, solely believed that death should become an extinct formality no matter what it takes, whether that'll be exhausting all her energy in crafting the most powerful spell in all of existence or raging a war against her last beloved family members to protect the future of her ponies. After 50 years of the illegally banning death as a part of life's plan, Princess Everlight and Spike, the friendship ambassador, stood together side by side to battle the complications of this pointless war of princesses and politics that they knew would end, having the magic of friendship by their side. They were fighting for what they believed was right, the right for a long and enduring future with no promise of grief and misery to stand in their way. So, they promised to themselves that they'd make sure to do the same for others, whether they want it or not. They will see the beauty of what life can bring and prove that death isn't the right choice. Prove that death will never be the right choice. Both knew it'll be near impossible to convince Cadance, Flurry, Celestia, and Luna right from their tainted, unforgivable views. However, Everlight and Spike knew it'll only be a matter of time before they all realized their biggest mistake in succumbing to corrupted ideals. However, time is not on their side. Whilst they may have time, the citizens who were brainwashed by Cadance's ideals will be the ones to suffer. Everlight will not let that happen, because if it was coming to that point, then desperate times call for desperate measures.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off
deep within,
I get lost in the feeling,
I just need a win.
I'm going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain.
You wanna sink or swim,
I'm gonna go down swinging.
look deep within,
I get lost in the feeling,
I just need a win.
I'm gonna find my meaning, I can make a change, I wanna play the game.